Good day. This is NAVI 316 week 15. The view of the playback controller can be switched between simplified display and full display by clicking the view change button. In selecting playback data, number 1, click on the drive selection box to open the list, and then select a data drive storing navigation record data. Folders saved on the selected data drive are displayed in the preview. Second, select a folder storing the navigation record data you want to playback. Playback folder. Each navigation record data is displayed in the order of the oldest time to the latest time. Select the navigation record data you want to playback. The oldest time and latest time of the selected navigation record data are reset to their initial values and then displayed in the playback list. When navigation record data is selected, a chart is displayed in such a way that the position of ownership when recording has started is at the center of the dialog box. When display setting is executed, ownership track is displayed on the chart. Sorting the playback list. Sort the logbook data display sequence in the descending sequence based on the oldest time and latest time. Click the title bar on the control section to sort the record data by the oldest time. Click on the oldest time UTC to sort it by the latest time. Click on the latest date for the UTC. Playing back logbook data. To start playback, click on playback button. Playback of navigation record data starts, and then the playback button is highlighted during playback, and then the playback time indicator and the playback slider controller are also linked with the playback. And to pause playback, click on the pause button. Playback of navigation record data pauses. The pause button is highlighted while pausing, and the playback time indicator and the playback slider controller also pause. To resume, on the playback button. To stop playback, click on the stop button. Playback on navigation record data will stop, and then the stop button is highlighted while stopping, and the playback time is reset to the playback start time, and the playback slide controller returns to the starting point at the left edge. In changing the playback speed, select a playback speed from the list in the playback speed selection box. Here is the box. Navigation record data is played back at the selected playback speed. The time shown, the playback time indicator, and the process shown in the playback slider. Control change according to the playback speed. In exiting the playback mode, other tasks cannot be executed while the dialog box is being displayed. To execute other tasks, exit the playback mode. Click on the close button on the playback controller, or the exit confirmation dialog box appears. Then click OK. Outputting navigation record data. Select navigation record data from the File Manager submenu of the Tools menu, and then copy it to the outside or the output destination you specify. Open the File Manager submenu of the Tools menu, and you will see this table. Select Voyage Log from the File Type selection box, and then select Local Disk from the drive at the Output Source selection box. Below the drive at the Output Source selection box, the Output Data Interval selection boxes and the calendar icon appear. Number 3, by clicking on the calendar icon, specify the duration of the logbook data to be output. The selected dates appear in the Output Data Interval selection boxes. And then, specify the drive as the output destination from the Output Destination Drive selection box, and then the Output Destination Folder from the folder tree, then copy the button takes effect.